Oh, from women's category, rider number 46, champion Joker from Crank Gears with a time of 27 minutes and 37 seconds.
Alright.
Nahirapan ako! Oras mo!
Nahirapan ang ating mga timekeeper. Next category, 19 below. For our 7th place, with an average time of 25 minutes, 18 seconds, .75. Rider number 227, Davin Reyes from Gravity Romanza. For the 6th place. Isa-isa daw, picture. Congratulations, Davin Reyes, rider number 227, for winning the 7th place. Next, 6th place with an average time of 17 minutes, 21 seconds, .69 from ADSD Gravity Team, rider number 3, Axel Bayukan. Rider number 3, congratulations.
Axel, anong shampoo mo? Galing nga po. Natanong mo ano shampoo mo? Galing ka po titiarat yan. Oo, si Arat titiarat yan eh. Axel, anong gamit mo shampoo?
5th place with an average time of 14 minutes and 41. No team name. Rider number 51. Team Harvest pala to. Rider number 51, Iraniel Celeste.
Ay! Panlima lang!
Boss, naligaw. Naligaw ka ba?
4th place with an average time of 13 minutes, .05. Riding Harvey Resto Sports Bar, Japasam and Sip Tapers. Rider number 7, Makir Magdadaro.
Yeah, boy.
Hindi na nagbabike yan!
Nice, Makir.
Hindi na nagbabike yan!
Yoko na, uwi na ako.
Taba-taba na nga ni Makir eh.
Hindi na nabaw!
Mga baby time eh, natalo pa ako.
3rd place with an average time of 13 minutes, .03 from Japasam Outdoor Team Larga South Gravity Riders. Rider number 9, Khalil Iniego.
Ibis lang ako.
Ayoko na, di ba ako mababay?
Madawali na pagod!
Nice ka, Kuya Paul.
Yan, to follow yata ang medal mo, Khalil. Nawawala ang medal. Ito, yung medal. Trophy.
Walang medal kasi plak eh.
Trophy lang, trophy. Ayan, nalilito lang. Sorry, nagkamali tao lang. Kalabaw nga, nadadapa, 4 ang paa.
Wala ka pala ran eh.
For the 2nd place with an average time of 11 minutes 46.376 from GNV Bike Shop, rider number 1, Ray Gabriel Ara.
Parehas kayo ng shampoo ni...
And for the champion, with an average time of 11 minutes .08, riding Harvest Restore Sports Bar, rider number 111, Steve Velayo.
Ay! No match talaga si Ranran! No match talaga, no match! Hayaan mo no match talaga si Ranran!
Yeah, congratulations, team.
Wala, nabuli na ako.
Hoy! Tawanan ka likod niya!
Sipit.
Tayo ron!
Guys, nadyan na ikaw. Steve, tayo ka dyan, Steve!
Next category,
Picture!
20 to 34.
Ay, panlima lang si Ranran!
Congratulations, that was the 19 below category. The next category will be 20 to 34. For the 7th place, the average sound check. Average time of 24.01 from Bulacan Gravity Crew, number 5, Giancarlo
Boss! Pumasok! Pwede na magpalit ng bike, no?
Rider number 5, congratulations, 7th place for our 20 to 34. For the 6th place, with an average time of 20 minutes .01, riding Jefferson Outdoors, Victoria Bike Trail, rider number 25, Andre Jasmir Bernin.
Ano, alimatic?
Congratulations, Andre. And for our 5th place, with an average time of 16 minutes .06, riding Bamboo Gravity, Jefferson Outdoor, number 8, David Balen.
Number ano ka? Ano? Pangilan? Panglima?
5th. Congratulations. And for the 4th place, with an average time of 16 minutes .03, from ADHD Gravity Team, rider number 45, B-Boy Rinante.
Sige na, sige boy! Kabingilay mo na. Lasing na, puta!
3rd place with an average time of 14 minutes and 21 from Flow Chaser Team Larga, rider number 277, JC.
Maraming shortcut yan. Lokal yan.
Second place with an average time of 13 minutes and 30 seconds from Gravity Romanza, GMB Bike Shop, Sip Tapers, Harvest Bristol Sports Bar, rider number 12, Hugh Ezekiel de Lansing. Congratulations, Hugh.
Simula nung nag-break na shot at saka champion ulit.
And for our champion with an average time of 12 minutes and 9, riding Vitar PH, Mondraker PH, GNB Bike Shop, rider number 18, Dandan Nipa. Congratulations to our 20 to 34 category for our winners. Next category will be 35 to 45.
Fifth place, 36. From team 36.
For our 35 to 45 category,
Yung race bib ko.
7th place. Congratulations. Riding Gravity Romansa, GMB Bike Shop, rider number 43, Guido Sapico.
Pumasok pa.
Bay.
Ang gigil ah. DH bike yan. DH bike na.
Si boss lang malakas, boy!
Malakas yung 36 ah.
6th place with an average time of 17 minutes and 30 seconds from St. Tapers, rider number 37, Don Baracuel.
Dong Barakwell.
Congratulations, Don. And for our 5th place, with an average time of 16 minutes and 51 from Team D-Max, rider number 34, Bry Watanabe.
Boy! Partida, lalaglag mo yan, ha?
Congratulations, Bry.
Swimming din ako. Nawala pa yan. Buha mo.
4th place with an average time of 16 minutes and 43 from Bamboo Gravity, Team Endurance, rider number 21, Jackie Hitalia.
Ay, dapat may team na yung 36 ha.
Congratulations, Jackie.
Kaya mo na, sunod mo lang. From team Tulo si Pon. Team Tulo si Pon.
4th place. 4th.
Walang medal ang pulang.
Ay, kumuha.
Bisa lang po, yung wala ko.
Ay, kumuha ng 4th.
Ayun na, 4th place. Ayun. Ayun, Rasta. Ayun yung 4th. Andun, sa likod yung 4th.
Nagkapalit. Yan.
Dadayaan pa.
And for our 3rd place with an average time of 16 minutes
Commissioner.
and 9 seconds from Rasta MTB, Rasta Cycles, Team Larga, rider number 40, Michael Villanueva. 3rd place, rider number 40, congratulations.
Fifth place. Oh. Collection
And
na
for the
naman.
2nd place with an average time of 15 minutes and 37 from South Gravity Riders, Team Larga, Javasam Outdoor, rider number 69, Popoy Quirante. Congratulations, rider number 69. And for the champion with an average time of 15 minutes and 36 seconds from ADHD Gravity Riders, Amoyo Racing, ZMR Apparel and Jodding Cycle, rider number 31, Mark Chris Gonzaga. Congratulations, riders.
Bawal lasing. Bawal lasing.
Lasing na yan.
Boss Mark, ito mo na yung video mo.
Bawal lasing na dito eh.
Ito, kompleto to. Ito. Sa akin.
Dito, kaya ano mo yun. Pagdating sa 5-8 yun.
The next category will be 46 up.
Hawak kayo lahat ko rin.
Picture muna, picture.
Picture, picture.
Hindi na makabalanse.
1, 2, 3.
Sabi na ko, isa pa.
Isa pa. Alright.
For our 7th place, with an average score of 19 minutes and 15 seconds, riding PMMA race. For our 6th place,
46?
with an average
46?
time of 18 minutes and 55. No team name. Rider number 22, Marlon Galaora or Galora.
Walang bonus.
Ayun na, anak ko yan.
Rider number 22, Marlon.
Anak ko, anak ko.
Walang pilay.
And po, 6th place, congratulations. And for our 5th place, with an average time of 18 minutes and 44 from Pinoy Pride MTB, rider number 35, Neil Reyes M.
Ang ilan na ba yan?
Neil Reyes M.
Play mo na yan.
Congratulations.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And for our 4th placer,
Women's ka!
with an average time of 17.07, riding Bar J, Riyadh Gravity, Bulacan Gravity Crew, rider number 2, Daniel Mangabat Jr. Congratulations. And for our 3rd place, with an average score, average time of 17 minutes, .03 from Indorog, Amoyong, and Zimar Aparen, rider number 27, Mark Rabaya.
Parang ayaw mo ah.
Parang ayaw mo ah.
Banda
And for the 2nd place, with an average time of 15 minutes and 6 seconds from Harvest Resto Sports Bar, rider number 100, Wilmer Belayo.
Oh, paleta king!
And for the champion, with an average time of 14.08 minutes, riding Kingdom Bikes, Alert, Wilmer Bike Shop, St. Clippers, Harvest Resto Sports Bar, rider number 26, Clinton Lichuan.
Siyempre!
Congratulations, the winners.
Palita king.
Biglang nagbago yung...
And
Nadulas na talaga.
yeah, congratulations to all the riders. And for the finishers medals, pag-claim na lang po dito. Yung mga lahat ng sumali, lahat ng riders, meron po kayong medals. Finisher medals, claim nyo na lang dito sa harap. Ayan. Congratulations everyone, and thank you so much for participating for today's event. Hope to see you again on the 26th of January 2025 for the Moonraker Enduro Race. Same place.
Pedan.
Ayan, congratulations.
Ako sa muna dito.